Hello IT Bros and welcome back to my IT workshop. This is Alvendril and in this video we will be testing the durability of USB flash drives against water. So the computer we're going to use in this video is this HP EliteBook 840G6. I have done a video in the past on which I upgrade the BIOS version on this model. So if you are interested in that, you can click on the top right of this screen or in the video description below. I'm also using my wireless speaker, Braven 105. So I like wireless speakers a lot, so that's why I'm using that. So these are my 4 USBs that I'm going to use in this video. So this one, the first one, the green one, is the one I bought from Micro Center. It's stored in the US. And this one, I have it for 6 years now, I think. As you can see, the label has worn off because of the use. The next one is a PNY. I have used many SSDs of this brand. They are really great. This one is a Verbatim. It's the first time I'm going to use this USB or this brand. And this one is an adapter to which my micro SD SanDisk, or no, ScanDisk, 32 gigabytes it's connected. So as you can see, I have kind of a mixture of brands of USBs. Some are 3.1, the others are USB 2. So I have many. It's not about the brand, it's just some USBs that you may have at home. I have these, I use them like frequently. So we're going to test them out. So I have 2 USB ports on this laptop, so we're going to connect 2 at a time. So as you can see, I have connect 2. And 2 windows have already been opened. So each USB has 2 files, a video and a picture. So we are going to test that they are working at the moment. So I'm going to double click on it and you can see and hear my voice. So this is a video that I have done some months ago about how to transfer files between Windows and Linux computers. And I'm just showing you that it works. So the video is working and I'm going to now click on the picture. And when I open the picture, this is a good reminder for you to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so yet. It really helps my channel if you press the like button. So as you can see, it's working on this USB. I'm going to close the windows and I have the same on the other USB. I'm going to open it again. You can hear and watch the video over there. I'm going to close it and the picture is over there as well. So I'm going to close it and I'm going to remove the USB safely, of course, and I'm going to connect the 2 other. So I do the same. 2 windows are going to be open and we are going to do the same exact test. So this is your second chance to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done the first time. So we have the exact 2 same files, a video and a picture. So you can hear the video is working. So these are working USBs, okay? And this is the last one, the last USB flash drive. So all is working fine. And the picture. So this is the last time I'm going to ask you to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. So you can see that they are working, okay? So they are working USBs, flash drives. So I'm going to remove them all. You've seen them all over there, the 4. So I'm going to do a close-off. And one of them is USB 3, the others are USB 2. So allow me a few seconds while I remove my camera. And I'm going to show you, we are going to go to the kitchen and I'm going to put them in a container. So I'm going to pour some water on them, as you can see me doing right there. And now I believe we can add a little more so they are fully covered. Yeah, kind of like that. So now I'm going to put a cover on it and we're going to place them. You can see there, I'm shaking them. We are going to place them in the freezer. So we're going to leave them like for a few hours and then we're going to come back and see if they are still working, okay? So I'm going to pause the video and come back in a few more hours. Welcome back. So a few hours have passed, like 5 or 6. So we're going to open the fridge now and see how our flash drive USB are behaving. So as you can see them, they are totally frozen. You see them there, all the colors, purple, green, black, and the other one that is also black. So as you can see they are, and I'm going to try to open the lid, but I cannot do it with one hand alone. So there you are. So it is open now. It's solid. I cannot take them out. As you can see there, they are really frozen. And now I'm going to put it inside of this container, and I'm going to pour hot water on it. So as you can see me doing there, and for some reason I thought it was enough, but it was not. So I'm going to add more. So as you can see, I'm going to add a little more hot water, and I'm going to wait until it melts. So I'm going to cut the video and come back in around, I don't know, 30 minutes, and then we're going to continue to see if they really work, okay? So after 20 minutes or so, I came back, and now we can see that the water is again liquid, and we can see that we are in the same position as we were before we put the container in the fridge. So now what we are going to do is we have to dry these guys up, okay? So I'm going to go to the dryer, and we're going to continue there. So a few seconds later, I am in the laundry room. So as you can see, the USBs are here. And now I'm going to use my socks, you see them there, as a protection. So I'm going to put the USB flash drives inside these socks. As you can see, they are empty. So I'm going to put one by one inside for more protection when they are inside the drying machine. So we put them inside. I cannot close it by myself, so I'm going to use my mouth because I'm using one hand for the camera. So there we go. So we have these two things, and we open the drying machine. We put these two guys inside. Now next, I'm going to choose less dry, and I'm going to turn on the drying machine. So you hear it there, and now I'm going to leave it like this for, I don't know, 30 minutes or so, and I'm going to come back after that's done. After 40 minutes, I'm back, or 40 or 50 minutes. So I open it, I can feel that it's kind of warm now. Now I'm going to open it with only one hand, that's why I'm struggling there. And I'm going to take out the socks and the one that has the USB flash drives. So I feel them kind of warm, so they are dry, they are not wet anymore. So you can see them there. So now we are going to go to the laptop to do the final test. Welcome back one more time to this video. So here we have the 4 flash drives. And now I'm going to connect 2 at a time like we did at the beginning of this video. So as you can see, the windows are open. And now I'm going to go to a close-up. So now I'm going to open the video, double click on it, and
welcome back to my IT workshop. This is Alvendril. Just to choose.
So you are listening to my voice, and the video is playing. So it's working after all that, all the things that this USB went through. So I'm going to open this, and this is your 3rd chance to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so yet. So I'm going to close this window, and we're going to continue to the other USB flash drive. So I'm going to do the same, open up the video.
Welcome back to my
and as you can see, there's my voice. We can watch the video. And now I'm going to close it because this one is working as well. So you can see the picture there. I'm not going to open it. Now I'm going to close this window. So now I'm going to quickly remove the 2 USBs, and now I'm going to connect the remaining 2. So as you can see, this one, the PNY, has some moisture there, but I believe this is going to go away in the next few hours or a few days. So that's not a big of a deal. So let's continue with the last 2. So as you can hear there, I have connection, so it's being recognized by the laptop. So now I'm going to do a close-up, and we're going to do the same process.
Welcome back to my IT workshop.
So the video is working fine, there is sound, nothing is corrupted, if you will. So and there is a picture over there. So I'm going to close this, and we're going to go to the final USB. And it's working as well. So there you go. So everything is working here, all the data is safe, and this is the last time I'm going to ask you in this video to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. So as you can see, we have done this. We are going to close everything now. I'm going to remove the USB flash drives, and now we have them all here. Even this small guy the SanDisk micro SD that is using the adapter is working just fine. So as you can see, USB flash drives are tougher than you might think. So if you're interested in the brands that we have used for this video, I'm going to leave the link in the description below so you can check them out for yourself. So this is a curiosity I had for many years because I wanted to know how resistant they are to water. Because you put USBs in your pocket, in your backpack, you throw them when you are home, so they are very reliable, especially after everything these guys have been through in this video. We have frozen them, we have put water on them, we have add heat on them. So what can I say? It's very interesting that they are very reliable, even after, just the fact that we put water on them. So that's what I wanted to show you in this video, guys. If you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe. If you have any other comment or questions, leave it in the comment section below. And as always, I'll see you in the next video.